How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're continuing on with the audio install on my 22 Pursuit. Right now we're getting ready to install the lowers on this, so we're gonna have to do some removal of all this. And so we're gonna have to start off with taking off this front cover. We got a T20. That's what I believe. Oh, I'm sorry, T40. We got 1, 2. And then there's another one right here, and that should remove this front cover painted piece, so that way you can get into the rest of it. So let's get started on this. Took me a second, but as soon as I got those bolts out, I was trying to figure out how to get this thing off. And start up top, push forward. You gotta force it a little bit. As you can see, I'm still trying to wiggle around, and it should come off. Now I have the thing lights on here, so I gotta fish the wire through to get that out, to take this part off. But start by up here, pushing forward, and it should slide right off. On the back side, after you get the cover off, you got these two up here, which are also T40s. Gotta loosen these up. One more thing you got to keep in mind: if you have the fog light, you're gonna have to disconnect this wire. It's usually under the finger right here, since we got all this taken apart because we're doing the audio. It's easy to get to, but you got to remember to take this off and loop it through, so that way when you take this off, it's easy to get off. Alright, now back to this side. You have two 10mm. You can kind of see these straps right here. Two 10mm right on either side that you have to take off to get this off. And that's how you get this part out. Now you just got one more of these kind of clamps right down, pretty much right here, right where my hand is at. Again, same thing, 10mm. Take that out, and this whole front piece should come off. Like I said, make sure if you have the fog light that it's disconnected, so it's not hanging you up. And then get this 10mm. This is where I have brackets for the tie downs over here, and it's going through here. So I'm gonna have to come up with something to get this off without having to take all this apart. These are the pods. These are some shipped from Davidson Audio. That's some bubble wrapped. Very well packaged. Nice paint protection on it. Nice. That's what they look like. Now I'm gonna compare that up to what was on there. It's pretty very similar. It's gonna go back on. You got the two screws in the back, and then where those two clamps went on, they go right here. There's the grommet right here for the speaker wire. But yeah. This should be pretty simple. The hard part is, since the way I have my tie-down brackets going on there, I can't really take off the lower, so I'm gonna have to put all this in, for the most part, on the bike. If I didn't have those tie-down brackets, you could take all that off, put it over here, put everything together on the table, then put it back in. So for me, it's gonna be a little bit harder, but we'll survive. Alright, now that we've figured out how I'm going to run this, grab the connection that came with the kit, and you know, Davidson Audio had the waterproof connections, so that way if you ever got to take this off, it's easy just to pull this out. I'm going to run this through the grommet. That should be good enough. A bit long enough to come out here. I'm just gonna tie a quick little knot on here so that way it doesn't get pulled out accidentally while finagling. And then now I'm gonna put this back on the bike. Alright, top tip, don't do what I do. There is...
Are you recording?
I am.
You're gonna have it all in out.
Yeah. There is where you gotta put these things. Let me see if I can pull this thing out. I have these little things right here. If you don't put these where they kind of belong, then you can't get it over there. So make sure when you put these on, one is on the correct side. So you can see right there, these little things. Make sure one is on this side, well, they're both on the right side, because if not, you can't get them through once it's in place.
Where's the cover go on here?
What cover? Sure.
Like, or just tip your head over. This is not exposed, is it?
I just got them started, so at least that way they don't fall. Alright, so now this is kind of smugged up. Kind of look at the front. Make sure it looks, you got a good fit and finish. Make sure the line looks like it's going up and down. It's good before you start tightening all that up. Now the last part, put the front paint part back on, and you know, same thing. Since I have the thing light on mine, I got a little bit of extra step. I gotta pay attention to this extra wire. But I think I gotta line everything right back up. Pretty much snap right back into place, and then same thing, put the 3 screws right back in. Alright, once everything's tightened up, check fit and finish, make sure everything looks good, which it does. And then start plugging everything back in. Drop it. Alright, so it's in. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side now, but it just goes to show you, you don't have to take the lower completely off to put the 6-inch pods in. They look really nice. Now all you got to do is put the speakers on, solder those on, and start buttoning everything up so we can tune it. But that's going to be it for this one, just because I don't want to. I'm pretty sure you want to see me do the same thing on the other side. So, see you in the next one.